Friends today. After 6 weeks on the road, it's been our longest road trip to date. Yolinda's got something special in mind for breakfast, so we'll just make some coffee and then we'll get stuck into our final brekkie for this trip. Good morning from Lake Murphy.
Good morning.
Near Teardrop in Queensland, if you're not from around here.
In Queensland, but it's still 3 degrees this morning.
Look, I've just taken my hoodie off. It's with the sun out now, it's not too bad. It's more than 3 now.
Yeah, well, my fingers are telling me otherwise.
Your fingers are telling you otherwise? It's all right at the moment. So this is the end of a 6-week road trip for us. Home today to a great big long list of to-dos.
And a huge big pile of washing.
Yes, and that. Kookaburras going off again.
They don't like it when we talk.
So what have we got this morning? Something new.
Well, I'm trying...
What's it called?
It's called Shakshuka.
Mm-hmm.
It's a East African dish, I think. Something a little bit different. We're going to be chucking chili sauce in for breakfast.
Bring this camera over just so I can eyeball the ingredients for a minute. What are we looking at here? Onion, obviously, you're chopping up.
Onion, capsicum.
That's some leftovers from last night.
Yep.
Capsicum, tomato paste, sweet chili, garlic,
diced tomatoes,
couple of eggs.
So
that's all?
The premise of this, as I understand it, and again I make things up as I go along, is it's basically a tomato and onion combination with the egg poached in the sauce. So I hope it works. We'll see.
So while you're prepping there, what would be... Oh, hello. Boy, these birds are used to people, hey? Unnaturally used to people. And yet we've never seen another soul at this campsite. This is our 3rd or 4th time we've stopped here. It's I've got about 3.5, 4 hours away from home now, so it's just a good either first night away or last night before we get home, distance home. So what are we? This is our 4th stop here?
I think it's 4th.
And we've never seen anybody else at this campsite, ever.
However, these birdies are quite used to having people around.
They definitely are. So obviously other people do use it, it's just that...
Not in stupid weather like we do.
It's all right this morning. A perfectly blue sky, like it's a magic day. What would have been your favourite spot? Your favourite place that we visited?
Katoomba certainly was an amazing spot.
I guess if we just quickly run through the list. So we stayed at a hip camp just north of Injune, I think it was. Yarraman? Something like that. Then we went to Brisbane. Stayed in Brisbane at a caravan park in Brisbane one night because we were going to see a concert.
Yeah, don't do that.
Then we went down to, go to the concert or stay in Brisbane?
Stay in Brisbane. Make sure you do your research before you stay in Brisbane.
Then we went to Canungra and had the puddle at Canungra. Separate video for that is already online. From Canungra to Girraween National Park.
That was pretty.
From Girraween National Park to Dangar's Gorge, I think. Dangar's Gorge to Tamworth. Tamworth to Cessnock. Cessnock to Sydney. Sydney to Bateman's Bay. Bateman's Bay to Jindabyne. Then back to Katoomba. Went through Bathurst to Parks, Parks to Dubbo, Dubbo to Moree.
Yep.
Moree to Lee's Reserve, just outside of Goondiwindi. Goondiwindi to here, and then home tonight. So Katoomba was your favourite spot out of that trip, was it?
Katoomba was beautiful. I think the next favourite would be the Girraween. No? What was the last national park we stayed at?
The last national park.
Warrumbungles.
We missed the Warrumbungles.
Yeah, that one.
Sorry, in between, after Dubbo and before Moree was the Warrumbungles.
That was pretty.
Yes.
That was very pretty
I
there.
thought I'd skip something. The Warrumbungles, yeah.
Yeah.
We could have stayed at the Warrumbungles much longer, actually. We only saw a fraction of it, really.
Yeah, and we didn't really do any of the walks or anything like that, which...
We did one. Yeah. And there's like hundreds of them, probably. Maybe not hundreds. Definitely tens.
I don't know why I'm using the middle one. That's the barbecue one.
Yes. Oh, boy, bird.
Dudes, what'd you steal?
I don't know, he's found something.
Okay.
I'm going to leave this up here in case he gets any funny ideas. And my coffee. These birds are just off the charts.
At least I can keep my hand warm with this until it gets too hot.
That is true. Okay, so Katoomba, then Girraween, then Warrumbungles, you think?
No, I was saying Girraween, I meant Warrumbungles.
You meant Warrumbungles, okay. Yeah.
So Katoomba, Warrumbungles. Dubbo was a nice town, but the fact that they've got the
zoo was pretty awesome.
The zoo was awesome.
I actually, like the main street in Dubbo was actually, like there was a fair bit there to look at.
Yeah, it was a nice town. But I think
it was bigger than I thought it was going to be too, Dubbo.
My all-time favourite stop is going to be later today.
Home. You have a good shower and sleep in your own bed. Like it's been a good trip, but yeah, you get to this stage and you think, okay.
You can open your bedroom door and not be hit by 3-degree temperatures.
I mean, we've only really had one sort of thing go wrong, I guess. Yeah, the turbo hose pop off. I didn't know that at the time, but by the time the NRMA bloke come out, like he found it in like 2 minutes.
Except for the fact that you made me walk all the way down to the... So we're sitting on the side of the road and I said to Jason, there's a spot further down that might be better to pull into because
we're on the Hume Highway, yeah, so it's pretty busy.
So anyway, he says to me, okay, well, you walk down there. Of course, it's pouring rain. So
pouring rain. It was a drizzle.
It was pouring rain. Don't let the truth get in the way of a good story.
Yeah, fair enough.
Anyway, so I'm marching down and I'm looking behind me all the time and he's not moving. So I get down to the designated spot and then just have to turn around and walk all the way back because we've realised that the car won't go.
Smell-o-vision isn't happening for me yet at the moment. I'm sure it will in due course. These birds are just... cheeky as. He's just had a shot of the bin.
No. Because he saw me put something in there.
Ah, right. Oi, don't you poo on my microphone case there. Oh, hello. This is where it all comes together, or doesn't?
Something like that.
So I put this back too early, didn't I? So the idea is you just poach these eggs in here. Is that the story?
Yeah.
Instead of water.
Correct. So the thing is that because I'm using the skillet and I don't actually have a lid, here is one I prepared earlier.
Excellent.
I don't know how long it's supposed to cook for though. Till it's cooked.
Yeah, I'll just keep an eye on it. Been doing this thing for a couple of minutes?
Yep. You ready?
Yeah, big reveal. Oh, look at that.
And just add a bit of salt, which I should have done earlier, but forgot.
It's not the regular salt, is it?
That's Himalayan.
Oh,
pink
okay,
salt.
right, yeah.
Okay.
Should I get the other?
No, it's not quite
It's
ready
not
yet.
quite there.
No.
Eggs are a little bit soft still.
Yeah. Just leave it sit for a bit longer. Because there's still heat in it. Are we ready to serve?
Well, we'll find out soon enough, won't we? That got complicated, didn't it? Well, why don't you, with the space, fill that? Oh, okay.
Probably should be using a spoon to do this.
Yeah, probably. That's one.
That's one.
I was going to put it down there so they could see it in there, but
Not with the
I'm
birdies.
afraid the birds are going to get it. Yeah.
And
Do I look hungrier than you, do I?
you always look hungrier than me. And we're going to be serving that with some street tacos. It's all about presentation.
Well, that's a difference between a villain and a supervillain, isn't it?
Presentation. There we go.
Yeah, turn around that way.
Turn around that way.
All right, well, that does look pretty... What's that for breakfast? All right, well, shall I go and try it out?
Try it out. Let's do this thing.
Where to sit? All right, off we go. So I'm sitting here. Look how close this guy is. Like, he's right at my foot. He's hopped away a little bit now.